Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be filming my eyebrow tutorial. My hair looks short on this side. What the heck? Right now I have nothing on my brows. This is just my everyday go-to. Well, not my everyday, but like every time I do my brows. This is what I do. Step by step. Don't skip. No steps. It's how I get the same looking brows every time. So this is what I will be doing today. See, I like my brows natural, but sometimes they need a little spice. So the tools that I will be using today, I'll comment them down below. We will start off with the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and then I use the Dipbrow in medium brown, my Anastasia brush, some clear mascara. Those are all the tools you will need. So let's get this show on the road. My birthday is coming up, guys. Like, I'm super excited. It is 10 days away. I'm just super excited. Actually, I'm not gonna put my age in the video because I'm gonna let y'all guess. Small. The other one, what is that, a medium? Oh, the other one's a large. I knew I gave you the wrong one. It's my mom, guys.
Oh gosh. You better edit that shit right out.
Nope. Okay, so I'm gonna groom my brows just a little bit off camera. So this is my brows. Nothing like. Can you imagine me with no eyebrows? No, guys. Oh, I start off just gonna brush it for like the bajillion times. So you see I have missing spots here. Here needs to get filled in, like all that. So I just go lightly filling it in.
My bitch, and she always on time forever. That's why she's mine, ride or die. She hate it when I call her my bitch, but she mine forever. And whenever the time is, I make time whenever, regardless. She's always on time, my nigga, regardless. She's always
already right there. You see a difference. Do you see a difference? Because I know I do. Like the Anastasia, not. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this other brow.
Once you turn into someone, they wanna be you. I grew up bumping Cassidy and Beanie Siegel, watching crackheads squeeze up on that needle. I said I'm sorry for making you feel I need you. Love hoes, window, but you see through. Smoking indo, outdoor with my people. I don't eat cheese, my nigga know that's illegal. I don't like those who fuck with you when they need you. Y'all are not low, my nigga already peed you. I do not know you, don't say what's up to me. When I needed it, you didn't show no love to me. Don't want no company.
See, if I was just going on like a regular day-to-day nail every day, this is my everyday, I stop right there. So next I take a clean brow brush, the Anastasia Dipbrow in medium brown, just a little bit from the side. Not much, and then I take the cover, you can see, and I just put it right here. And this will get the brush as flat as it can be. I don't conceal my brows when I don't wear a full face because it creates like a halo effect that's not cute at all. So what I'm gonna do is start lining up the bottom of my brows and then do the top. So you see how flat the tip is?
Fuck you, we ride together, be honest. The only time I'm feeling fine is when I'm with my bitch, and she always on time forever. That's why she's mine, ride or die. She hate it when I call her my bitch, but she mine forever. And whenever the time is, I make time whenever, regardless. She's always on time, my nigga, regardless. She's always on time, that's why I love her to death.
Go back in there. The remainder product that's on the lid is enough for the top brow, because the top brow you really don't need that much, because You don't want these big bulgy brows. Those are just not in. So then you just go on the top, and I don't start from here. Start like right here, you know?
Nothing to stress, focusing when I'm stroking, she feel it all in her chest. Pussy so wet, kissing up on her neck. Wanna scream my name, she keep it under her breath. I'm still the same. My niggas, we still riding with the thing.
And there is a finished, ready to go brow. I got holes in different area codes. No, I don't. I really don't. I'm single.
Still riding with the thing. My niggas, we get that money, never change. My niggas, I never switch up for no fame. My niggas, I stack it to the ceiling. And when you all alone and you all up in your feelings, you can listen to this thug nigga who just missing a bitch. I take your hoe by the flick of the wrist, and she like to call me by my government, cause I make her feel special. Hit that thing raw just to make her feel special.
I like that. I like it. I like it. I like it. Like it. Like it.
Several phone calls just to make her feel special. Do that thing I like, cause you know I still let you.
We ride together, we ride.
Now onto the top. So once again, not starting here, but here.
Be honest, the only time I'm feeling fine is when I'm with my bitch, and she always on time forever. That's why she's mine, ride or die. She hate it when I call her my bitch, but she mine forever. And whenever.
So I wrap it up with Great Lash. I put it as brow gel. And just do a little bit. Keep these bad boys in place. Now this is thank you for watching, tuning in. If you don't already, you know what to do. Like button and hit the subscribe. Subscribe first, then be like. But subscribe.